Hi guys, I think I showed the video. Now let's see how they put the damn thing on. That is a difference. I saw a video where a guy just took a knife and cut it open. So we're gonna try that. Okay. I'm gonna cut my damn finger. Itch to come on. I hope I can see which way. Okay, it was like that, so. All right, so I guess it's gonna go on like this because it is made different. That side, this side, that's the same rubber. As you can see, the difference. So some guy showed putting WD-40 on it, so let's try putting WD-40 on it. Here we go. I just remember the other guy used gloves to put it on. Yeah. He made it seem like it's really, really hard. He used pliers. I used my hand. Now I wonder, can I shift the damn thing without using? Can I ride my bike with regular sneakers?